You can see it comes in these flat 1/8 inch plates. They're already cut out and they're pretty close to what they need to be. It's really not a bad kit, just takes a little bit of work, so just got to lay it out the length of the frame, how it's going to fit in there. So you can see started just past the where the steering box is going to mount. I've got the top all welded in. I still need to do the bottoms though. You can see the plates fit right up. Already ground this end down. Got my welds. They're not too bad. Turned out okay. Cut out around the cab support. I've got to cut out where the transmission mount's going to go. It's sitting over here. I unbolted it so I could just have some more room to work. I'll go back and cut that out afterwards. You can see the rear cross member. Just cut out a section for that. All the way back. I left the spare tire carrier in there. I may take it out later, but I just left it there for now. I think it'll add a little more cross member bracing to the frame, at least in the meantime. So, and then here at the back, the rear cross member, I just cut the piece short for it. I didn't want to really cut around it, and I definitely didn't want to cut it out. So the little Hobart 210 got some work in today. I had about 600 pounds PSI of 75/25 in the bottle, and went completely through that. You can see the frame on the other side. I haven't painted the inside yet. I've got the spray stuff from Eastwood. It's got a little hose on it there, and you can just put it in one of the frame holes and spray through there. So the other day I got the shackles on, got the rear end of the spring. I didn't do the front yet because I have to put the flip kit. Got the Beltec flip kit and the front coil springs right there. Once I get the frame boxed in, I'll go ahead and get the rear end put in there. You can see I got the front suspension on mostly. I did energy suspension bushings all the way around. New ball joints top and bottom, and new bolts, the little C bolts to hold everything in. So compared to what was in there for shims previously, this is a huge upgrade. So just having the right parts in there will make it work a lot better, hopefully. But that's about it. That's all the progress for tonight. It's midnight. I gotta go to bed.